Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by committing to ethical use and clear disclosure. Say why transparency matters and how it builds trust. Once done, compile high-quality inputs and note provenance so readers can verify claims. Make sure to set boundaries on generation, avoid inventing facts, and preserve the author's voice where relevant. You'll want an internal checklist for attribution, accuracy, and privacy. Follow it before you proceed to editing or publishing. This foundation prevents misuse while improving credibility. Now focus on quality improvements that serve readers and compliance. You should edit for clarity and add context so sentences read naturally and purposefully. Shorten jargon and explain terms. Once done, incorporate human expertise, interviews, commentary, or unique analysis, so the piece has value beyond raw generation. Make sure to validate every factual claim by cross-checking 2 or more independent sources. This reduces errors and demonstrates due diligence before publication. Finish by adding clear disclosure and keeping an audit trail. You should label AI-assisted sections and maintain edit logs with timestamps and editor initials. Once done, run a final read for coherence, tone, and accuracy, and make human adjustments where automation fell short. If issues surface after publishing, act quickly. Correct mistakes or retract problematic claims and explain the fix publicly. The single most important tip: prioritize transparency to retain reader trust and avoid harm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.